Alphabets party! Hey there, little learners, I'm the letter E. Thank you for being a part of this memorable event. E, 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 E. I'm a very special letter in the alphabet because I'm a vowel. I make two main sounds, short E and long E. Short E.
E.
Try saying
E.
fantastic.
E.
Egg.
E.
Elephant.
E.
Envelope. Long E.
E.
Try saying fantastic. Hero. Eagle. Tree. I can also be in the middle or at the end of words.
E.
Bed. Cake. Very nice. Let's learn to write both my uppercase and lowercase forms.
Uppercase.
A straight line. Now add 3 horizontal lines. E.
Lowercase.
Now add the line. Finish with a small loop. E. It's time to dance and sing with joy. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
E is for elephant, big and gray. E is for egg in a nested away. E is for earth, spinning around. E is for echo, a repeating sound. E, that's me.
Hey kids! Enjoyed the video? Show some love by hitting like and subscribing for more awesome learning adventures. Thanks for watching!